Sounds like they got a legit active shooter at a school.
All units, be advised, we are under a mass casualty alert. Multiple victims down.
You just heard newly released audio of the 911 call for the deadly mass school shooting in Nashville, Tennessee. This comes after police gave an update on what happened during the tragedy. Police confirmed the shooter, 28-year-old Audrey Hale, had bought 7 guns in recent years and hid them from her parents. Police also say the shooter did not specifically target the victims killed and that Hale was under doctor's care for emotional disorder. In total, 6 innocent people lost their lives, including 3 9-year-olds, as well as the head of the grade school, a custodian, and a substitute teacher.
And this was the 13th school shooting in our country, according to Education Week, and it's continuing conversations of the effects gun violence is having on our children.
WTOC's Camille Syed has more.
We keep losing them in this tragic and, I believe, preventable manner.
The latest school shooting in Nashville killing 9 people, sparking outrage and more conversation about gun violence.
Gun violence is the leading cause of death for American children and teens. That has not always been the case.
Law enforcement in Savannah says they're prepared for any active school shooter situation, including ones that turn out to be false. But gun violence involving children goes beyond the classroom. Information from Savannah police shows at least 13 minors were the victims of gun violence in 2022. More recently, a Savannah High student was shot this year just a block away from their school. Chatham Emergency Services paramedics tell me it's a problem they're seeing firsthand. They say it's not easy taking such young victims to hospitals to be treated for gunshot wounds. Mental health experts want to see a change.
I mean, you'll see children who will suffer with anxiety, depression. They'll have feelings of, oh gosh, could that happen to me? Other children who are present when that happens, they might have survivor's guilt about how come that happened to my friend and not to me.
Maureen McFadden, who is a social worker, shares the same opinion as our area representative Ann Westbrook. Westbrook voted for a bill that failed in the House that would have made it a misdemeanor to store, transport, or abandon an unsecured firearm in a place where children have access.
So we're really getting to a point where we've got to start reframing this debate. And I am certainly of the belief that we do not have to pay for freedom with our children's lives. We can have both.
We just have to have people actually listen to each other and come together to do something about it. Instead of offering their thoughts and prayers, offer solutions to decrease what's happening.
One of many communities around the nation wanting to see a change. Camille Syed, WTOC News.